Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Nur Amira binti Anwar, DN 2038, and I'm from Group 9. Today, our group is going to present on a topic called Analysis of 5G Network. These are the members of our group, which are Pang Wei Bin, Nur Amira binti Anwar, Nur Amiza binti Anwar, Nur Amira Husna binti Muhammad Akhir, and Siti Fatimah binti Muhammad. Introduction of the project. 5G, also known as the fifth generation of wireless technology, is the latest advancement in mobile network technology. It aims to provide faster data speeds, lower latency, increased capacity, and enhanced connectivity compared to previous generation like 4G. The objective of this project are to analyze the telecommunication signal around the Pago area, especially 5G, to study the requirements needed for an Android or iOS to implement the 5G network, to study the advantages of 5G network compared to the current network, which is 4G, and to study the development of the 5G network in Malaysia. Next one is the methodology. There are five applications used in this project. The first one is Analyzer app. Net Analyzer app is an application used to analyze the network currently used by the current device. It is an all-in-one iPhone and Android app for network analysis, scanning, and problem detection. Some of the information that can be obtained from this app is Wi-Fi LAN scanner with device name resolution, ping and visual trace route with geolocation data, network speed tester, Wi-Fi signal meter of surrounding hotspots only for Android devices, and others. Next one is cell tower locator application. This application shows the location of the cell tower into our mobile phone. The cell tower locator will also show the details of the phone's network depending whether the user is using the local Wi-Fi or just using the cellular network. Next one is NPOF. NPOF is an application that allows user to accurately qualify the internet connection's performance. The speed test on this app relies on an exclusive algorithm allowing the user to accurately measure the download bit rate and latency of the connection. Next one we have Meteor. This app is used for the mobile and Wi-Fi speed test, app performance and network coverage map for 3G, 4G, and 5G. Meteor's unique test also allows users to see how their internet connection and download speed can affect the performance of their favorite mobile apps. And last but not least, the speed test application or speed test and Wi-Fi analyzer. Some of speed test main features include the test Wi-Fi analyzer and compare. Basically, users can check the Wi-Fi signal strength and compare which is the strongest signal point with speed test app. It also includes an accurate Wi-Fi analyzer which will show the user about the detailed speed test information and intuitive, easy to understand graphs. So for this next slide, I will present about the result and analysis for our project. So basically we use five applications to get results for our project. So the first one is Net Analyzer. Net Analyzer is basically shows the data state, the operator information, and the network and phone type. Based on this figure, in the active connection part, it shows that we are using a cell type connection. It also shows the IP address and even the subnet mask that the phone is currently using. Since the phone is not connected to Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi detail session will show that the phone is disconnected to Wi-Fi. It also shows the cell detail, which is the operator name, data state, and even the signal strength, which is negative 57 dBm. And for the second application, we use is cell tower locator. So cell tower locator showing the result basically shows the map for the area that we are currently, which is near the campus in Pago. The green dot showing basically shows that the
Connection that is currently connected to the phone is stable. It also shows the GPS altitude, the network provider name, and the signal strength. Um, the result is all shown in the figure, in this figure. And there is not much information that we can get about 5G connection in this app, since it is mostly analyzes the signal strength the phone currently is using. So moving to the next application that we use to get our results for this project is NPerf. So for this project, it is decided to do a full test using this application. The result shows the download byte rate, which is 7.60 MBS, the upload bit rate, which is 10.03 MBS, and also the latency rate, which is 38 ms. At the end of the test, the app will give the phone's performance a score, and the user can compare it to other phones if they want to. Beside the download, upload, and the latency rate, this app also tests the performance rate of the phone on browsing sites and streaming sites. Based on the result below, based on this result, for the phones that are used in this project, it is 43.61% for the browsing and 92.27% for the streaming. And next is the fourth application that we use is the application called Meteor. So the result for this app is shown in this figure. Just like the result for NPerf, this application also shows the download, upload, and the ping of the current connection. The only difference is that this app also shows whether the connection is good enough to be used on other applications like Chrome, Google Maps, and YouTube. So next is our last application that we use. Our fifth application is the speed test. So the result is also shown in this figure. So almost identical to the result from NPerf and the app Meteor. This app also shows the download and upload bitrate. The difference for this app is that it also shows the ping, jitter, and the loss experienced by the network. So next is our discussion for our project. So based on the research that has been done about the 5G network during the implementation of this project, some of the advantages of the 5G network is the enhanced speed and capacity. With speed up to 10 Gbps, 5G enable quick downloads, seamless streaming of high quality media, and faster data transfers. Additionally, 5G provides increased capacity, allowing for a higher number of devices to connect simultaneously without compromising performance. Another advantage of 5G in that 5G network have extremely low latency, reducing the delay between sending and receiving the data. This is crucial for real-time applications such as online gaming, video conferencing, and autonomous vehicles, where instant response times are essential. It is also important to note that 5G is designed to handle the massive influx of Internet of Things (IoT) devices and smart devices that will be connected to the network. With its increased capacity, low latency, and energy efficiency, 5G enables seamless integration of IoT devices, um, fostering the development of smart cities, smart homes, and interconnected applications. Some of the requirements for the implementation of 5G also include hardware compatibility, operating system compatibility, and network support. Thank you.
For conclusion, based on the results that we got, it is safe to say that the 5G network is not yet widely used in Malaysia. This is mostly because of the industry concerns over pricing and transparency, as well as worries that a single government run network would result in a nationalized monopoly. It is highly expected that the 5G network will be used more widely in Malaysia since it is basically an upgrade for the network that most Malaysians have already been using, which is 4G. That's all from us. Thank you.